So, hi, this is Ashwin from Annur, pursuing MBA at Business College of Technology, and I am here to give a business model canvas on the topic Cars 24. Cars 24 is actually a trading company of trading of cars to the customers, providing service to them, having a qualified, verified cars in their website, which can be availed by every individual who are using the app. So let us discuss through this PowerPoint mode. So yes, so where did I choose this topic? So first point is the company name is Cars 24 and it's headquartered at Gurugram, and it is founded in the year 2015. So by Mehul Agarwal, and its portal link is given below, and it is considered as the India's top 100 most startup companies. And yeah, why, which industry does it fits in industry verticals, that is agri and food tech, healthcare, energy, aerospace and defense, automobile, fintech, smart city. So in these 8 elements, it comes under automobile, and in innovation and technologies, there are 5 major topics listed. That is augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, AL or ML, data analysis, robot and automation, additive manufacturing. So in this slot it comes under Internet of Things, like which is made virtual nowadays. Like before it was trading directly between the buyer and the seller. So now it is made virtual through Internet of Things. And the business model canvas actually consists of nine main components, which will be discussed in the PPT. So before that, we'll go to the customer segment. Customer segment is the practice of dividing a company's customer into groups that reflects the similar among in each group, and a VP, value proposition, should be added to the product by the company. So value proposition refers to the value of a company promises to deliver to the customers they choose to buy their product. And third comes the channels. It describes how a company communicates with and reacts with the customer segment to deliver its value proposition. And next comes the CR. So this type of relationships a company establishes with a specific customer segment relates are driven by the customer acquisition, customer retention, boost in sales. And next comes the KR. It describes the most important asset required to make a business model work. So, and KA are the most important action in executing a company's value proposition. So, and KP are the relationship that you have with the other business, governmental and non-consumable entities that help your business model work. So, yeah. And the C is that defines all the cost and expenses that your company will go through from the beginning to the end. And RS is the end product that the customer requires, where with different revenue streams. So here comes the key partners, key activities, key propositions, key resources, cost structures, equipments, value propositions, revenue streams, channels, customer relationships, and customer segments. So now let's discuss the key partners. This consists of the people who are the partners who invested in the company. It is Anati Financials and insurance companies, and cost structure, cash rewards for referrals, operational expenses, office spaces, lease and rent, salaries to technicians and other human resources, so rewards to the partners. And key activities consist of platform development, dealer and customer acquisition, car health evaluation, car transfer paperwork, deal evaluation. And key resources are human capital, technical experts, legal sports agents for helping with the legal and RC transfer related work, IT systems, platform development team, customer care, infrastructure branch, offices, car evaluation, etc. And value proposition consists of best price guarantee, instant payment, sell car in single visit within 30 minutes, free asset transfer, easy, procurement of wide variety and wider reach, and complete health inspection report of the car, verified cars with the paperwork, transparent bidding process. So, customer relationships. Transactional, personalized post and assistance till the RC is transferred, designated account manager, and channels next. Stores, there are 135 stores and branches, totally in and around 27 cities, advertising, online media, ads, campaigns, social, all networks, under Cars 24 platform. And the next comes the revenue stream. Service charge for range 1000 to 5000 rupees. Subscription brand, pre-owned dealers, corporate car rental companies need to subscribe with the Cars 24 to receive leads and bids of the cars. Charges for value add services, vehicle guaranteed working capital parking services, which they charge 300 per day. And next, car seller, car buyers, corporate car rentals, companies, pre-moving car dealers, driving schools, etc. And this is the true logo of cars24.com, and which have all the components like having a store and a car and a customer and a seller. And thank you for this opportunity.